Alright, latest restoration project, a Delta shaper. Haven't figured out the exact date yet, but this was an auction find. Before I completely start tearing it down, I remembered I probably should capture a before shot. The wing I already took off and the dust doors, so should be fun.
With this shaper, I did try to salvage the original Cutler hammer ball switch. These are pretty unique and neat designs, but the internals, the contacts and so forth were just too hard to repair. I was able to save the badges and improve those.
Alright, the Delta shaper's all restored. Came together pretty good and quick since the motor was in good shape. It's a 1 horsepower delta-rockwell repulsion induction motor. Runs smooth. It's got a lever to reverse as well. And very happy with how this came out. Was able to salvage the doors, the hand wheel and everything. Fence here, and the original owner had this nice sort of dust shroud as well with a port on the back. And then I was able to really improve these labels as well with some touch-up markers and get that vivid red back. The switch is all rated for motors at 120 volts or 240 volts. This is a dual voltage motor. We wired it up for 120, so it runs on a regular household circuit. It's pulling about 10 amps or so. I forget what the exact is, so that's just fine for a regular 15 amp or 20 amp 120 volt circuit. And here's this 1 horsepower repulsion induction motor. You can see here is this reversing lever, and changes where the brushes are on the commutator, and everything else about the motor looks in great shape. Looks really fresh for being that old. I don't think this machine really saw a lot of use.